Hello everyone, welcome to SpeedyBee. Today, we will show you how to assemble the Mario Mini Go series frame module, power module, braces, props, and VTX for a cleaner, more reliable build. Let's get started. Frame module overview. Power module overview. Parts required for assembling the frame and power modules. Start by installing the power module. Use M 3x7 button head screws to secure it to the frame module. The front power module has one mounting hole on the top side and one on the underside. The rear power module has all mounting holes on the underside. Installation complete. Install the motor connectors. Route the motor wires along the inside of the arms. Installation complete. Install the CNC bracket. Check the orientation of the CNC bracket. Secure it with M 2x4 screws. Installation complete. Next, check motor direction. Power on the drone. Connect to the flight controller using the SpeedyBee app. Tap Flight Controller Setup. Go to Motor Settings. Tap Motor Direction. Check each motor's direction. Make sure each motor spins in the direction shown by the arrow on the yellow motor direction sticker. Tap Done. The power module and frame module are now installed. Parts needed for the braces. Align the braces with the arm mounting holes. Secure them with M 3x7 screws. Installation complete. Parts needed for the props. Remove the motor stickers. Install the props. Pre-fit them with M 2x6 screws. Be sure to align the screws with the motor mounting holes. Tighten the screws. Installation complete. Next, install the VTX module. VTX module overview. Connect the VTX cable to the DJI port first. Install the VTX housing. Remove the sticker. Installation complete. Select the configuration that matches your power module. Power the flight controller via USB. Connect to the flight controller using the SpeedyBee app. Tap Flight Mode switch. Select the preset for your drone model. Tap Update Now. Configuration updated. Go to Flight Controller Setup to verify the configuration. Tap Configuration. Check that the drone name matches the model. Tap PID Tuning. Check that the PID profile matches the installed props. That wraps up the Mario Mini Go build guide. Thank you for watching.